Let's see how to customize quick panel on Samsung. So we will open the notification panel, then tap on this pencil icon here. Now the first thing that we can do is we can add or remove the buttons from here. So select edit. If you want to remove any button from here, what you do is tap on this minus icon and it will be removed. Now if you want to add any button, you have to tap on the button here and it gets added. The other thing is, if you want to have the default buttons here, then what you can do is you can select this reset option, and if you select reset, the buttons will be ordered in the default state like the one which you get when you purchase your phone. So after doing that much, you can select this done. Now the next thing that you can do is you can customize the panel settings. Tap on this pencil icon here, go to panel settings. Now you have two options here. One is separate. If you select separate, you will get the option to open the notification panel and the quick settings panel separately. For example, if I swipe from the top of the screen, I will get this notification panel. But if I swipe from the corner of the screen, I will get this quick settings panel. If you want to open them together, again go to this edit here, panel settings, and then together. So once you do it, if I pull it down, you will see the quick settings panel on the top and notification panel on the bottom. You have to pull it down to open the quick settings panel completely. Now the other thing that you can do is you can change the positions of this section. For example, if I want to move this on the top, I will tap and hold and then I will drag and move it at the top. I want to move it down, just tap and hold and then drag it down. After that, select done. The other thing that you can do is you can change the color of this notification panel. So for that one, we have to go to settings here, go to wallpaper and style, select color palette, enable color palette. Now you have the option to change the color from here. You can go to basic colors and you can also select the color from here. You can see the preview of the quick settings panel. After that, apply. Now if I open the quick settings panel, you can see the color is changed. If you don't like this one and want to revert back to the original, you have to again go to settings here, go to wallpaper and style, go to color palette and then disable this option color palette. After that, apply. Once you do it, if you open the quick settings panel, you can see it will go back to the original state. So this is how you can customize quick panel in Samsung.